Are you looking at your Google My Business Insights? Hi, this is Marlon from the Appliance Experts, and I wanted to create a quick video today just to make you aware of a new blog post we just posted on our blog. And it's all about Google My Business Insights. Now, you may be already familiar with it, or you may not be. If you're not, though, you really should start taking a look at this. Maybe on a monthly basis, at least. If you have a lot of activity happening from your Google My Business, or what we refer to as the GMB, you may want to take a look at it weekly. The reason is a lot of local consumers are using the Google Maps section of the search engines, and particularly if you're in the US, Canada, or the UK, you'll see a lot of activity from it. If you're outside of those countries, look out for this, because basically what happens with the US, Canada, and the UK is that Google rolls everything out in these countries first. So if you ever want to see what's coming down the pipeline, you can just take a look to see what's going on in these countries. Anyway, this article, it's specifically about the Google My Business Insights. Another term you may be familiar with is analytics. So basically, it's just showing the data that your Google My Business listing is generating. So you see things like how consumers are finding your business, what keywords are they typing in. And then in this article, we also show you what to do with that data once you have it. Right. So it's not just to see, how consumers are finding you, but what can you do with that data once you actually find it? So once you find those keywords, what do you do next? So some of the things we cover is how to use Google My Business posts to start targeting those keywords a little bit more. And then another great feature of it, which is in the article, I just want to give you a quick preview here, is when the phone calls are coming in. So what day of the week is more popular and what time of the day is more popular. So in case you need to have someone answering the phone, or you need more staff at a high peak time that the calls are coming in, this will definitely give you that information. So check the article out if you're interested in Google My Business Insights. And I hope you found this information useful. We'll see you on the next video. This is Marlon with the Appliance Experts.